Hello! So, did you design a gorgeous bedroom and are now trying to figure out why your bed is not looking as luxurious as it did on your Pinterest board? I'm going to give you 5 really quick and easy tips for how to make your bed look like a hotel bed, except much better because, hi, it's your bed. And let's go into it now. So, hi, I'm Kayla Goldstein. I'm an interior designer for moms here in Rockland County. I do new builds, I do gut rentals, I do videos. Let's go. So, the first tip that I'm going to give you is to use subtle colors. People love to bring in pops of color in their bedroom. Don't do it. Use elegant colors, subtle colors, quiet colors, pastel-y colors, muted colors, and you can use dark colors, but those dark colors should be deep, elegant, sophisticated colors. We don't want to bring in any red. We don't want to bring in any bright to your bedroom. It is not the right place for it because we want it to be a calming, luxurious, sweet space and not a place that is a little bit like a playroom. Now, you can have one pop, but try to make that pop even more, also subtle. We don't want it to be too kiddie. You want it to be very elegant and sophisticated. The second thing is that you want to make sure that surrounding the bed is as beautiful as the bed itself. So you want to make sure that you have night tables and that those night tables are to scale, and then you want to make sure that you have lighting around the bed and that lighting is complementing the bed and not necessarily taking away from the bed. You want a beautiful headboard. You want a rug by the foot of the bed or by the sides of the bed. You want artwork above the bed. It gets a lot. It gets extensive. That's why I have my pre-designed rooms to tell you exactly what to buy, where to buy it, and how to install it. But if you want to go ahead and do it yourself, do that as well. But the link is in the bio and you can go do that. Now, the third tip is that you should definitely layer blankets. Some people like thin blankets and some people like heavy blankets, and some people are married to somebody who likes a different blanket than they are. Besides for that, layering a blanket also adds a lot to the bed. So if you're thin or heavy, let me know in the comments. I don't mean that in a mean way. I mean, if you like a thin blanket or if you like a heavy blanket, let me know in the comments. And because I'm actually super curious, I have a theory about girls liking one and boys liking another, but I'm curious if I'm right. So go ahead and let me know in the comments which one you like. And you make, what you want to have is you want to have the big blanket, like the duvet, covering the entire bed, and then at the end of the bed you want to have another blanket thrown over, or you like either over the entire foot of the bed, which is a thinner blanket, or just over one side of the bed, but it brings in a little bit of a texture that should be different from the big blanket, and it also brings in layering and makes your bed feel more luxurious. Now, besides for layering blankets, you also want to layer pillows. So you want to make sure that you have the big, sturdy pillows in the back that are going to support the softer pillows that you're going to put your head on. And then you're going to have pretty pillows that you're going to put in front to make your bed look pretty, that you're not necessarily going to sleep with, but that's going to make your bed look like you so inviting. So the little pillows are going to be more for design. The softer pillows are going to be the pillows that you sleep on, and the bigger pillows are going to be the pillows that kind of prop up the other pillows, make them look pretty when you're not in the bed, and support the soft pillows when you are in the bed. You can try and mix up the textures here. You don't have to get them all matching. Don't get them all matching. Get contrasting ones. Mix patterns, mix textures. Have a good time with it, because the more textures you bring into your bed, the more luxurious and comfortable your bed will be. Do not be afraid to bring in don't bring in like corduroy, because hi, that's not comfortable, but bring in like the soft ones, the ones that you make you go like this nonstop to it. Okay, now the fifth one is that you want to fluff it up. You want to make the bed correctly. You want to take everything off the bed and you want to put the sheet on, and you want to make it tight so that there's no wrinkles in the sheet. You want to put the blanket on and you want to puff up the blanket so that it's super, super thick and it's not like very flat on the bed. On top of that, you want to put the little blanket and you want to puff up the pillows. You want them standing up. You do not want them lying down. You want them standing up. The reason that all those beds look so luxurious on Pinterest is because they put cardboard in the pillows so that the pillows look fluffier. And in some of them, they even put boxes behind the pillows so that the pillows look fluffier. So that's what you want to do to make sure that you have an absolutely stunning, beautiful room. And if you need help doing the rest of your bedroom or figuring out exactly what pillows and artwork and night tables and all that stuff to buy, you can go ahead and check out my pre-designed rooms. You pick your room, you pick your style, they tell you what to buy, where to buy it, how to install it, how much it's going to cost. It's really, really affordable. It's for people who can't hire a designer, and it's for amazing, amazing, amazing results. So go ahead and check out the link in the bio. If this video helped you, tell me that it helped you, like it, share it with your friends, and go watch my other videos and make sure that you're subscribed. Thank you. Have a good day.